There is a story about President Lincoln interviewing a new employee. He eventually did not hire the applicant. His staff asked him the reason, and he replied, "I don't like his face." The staff, not understanding, asked further, "Is it his fault that he was born with an unattractive face?" Lincoln answered, "A man's face before the age of 35 is determined by his parents, but after 35, it should be determined by himself. A man should be responsible for his own appearance after the age of 35. The great French writer Victor Hugo said, "The human face often reflects one's inner self. Things formed in the heart have an impact on one's expressions and demeanor, and consequently, the appearance of the face changes as well." In daily life, we can often perceive people's inner worlds through their facial expressions. Buddhism teaches that the appearance is a reflection of the mind. The primary interpretation of this phrase is that our facial appearance is the mirror of our inner soul. In other words, the state of one's mind is mirrored in their facial expression. For instance, someone who is selfish, cunning, and calculating often has an unappealing appearance. Even if they are physically attractive, prolonged interaction may reveal an unattractive personality, leading to repulsion. Conversely, a person with compassion and love often radiates a kind of inner light, making them more appealing and pleasant to be around as time goes by. The second layer of interpretation for "the appearance is a reflection of the mind" is that our outer world is a reflection of our internal image. The Western world now calls it the mirror principle. It states that our external world, everything we see, hear, and experience around us, is like a mirror reflecting our internal world. This internal world is made up of our thoughts, beliefs, emotions, and attitudes. For example, if you often harbor resentment and blame others, then your reality will reflect your discontent, filling your surroundings with more frustration and trouble. Conversely, if you frequently embrace gratitude, then your life will be filled with more things to be thankful for. The Diamond Sutra says, "All conditioned phenomena are like dreams, illusions, bubbles, shadows." Why is everything likened to dreams and illusions? It's because even our most trusted organs, our consciousness, can sometimes deceive us. The world we see with our eyes is not the real world. It is merely a mirror reflecting our inner world. Therefore, we should not be attached to the changes in the external world. For example, when we look in a mirror and notice our hair is messy, what do? Naturally, we adjust our own hair, not the hair in the mirror. In the same way, in solving life's problems, constantly searching for causes in the external world is futile. The root of solving problems lies within oneself. For instance, as mentioned earlier, if you feel that your surroundings are filled with anger and annoyance, this may be a signal to examine your own thoughts and attitudes. Are you often resentful and blaming others, or do you harbor negative thoughts? Shifting to a more positive mindset often leads to encountering more positivity in everyday life. Likewise, if you feel undervalued at work, in line with the mirror principle, this external experience might be reflecting your internal beliefs about your own worth. By recognizing and changing these internal beliefs, not only can your self-esteem improve, but you may also start receiving more recognition and value from others. In interpersonal relationships, we often find that the qualities we admire or dislike in others are actually a reflection of our own traits. For example, if you find yourself frequently annoyed by someone's arrogance, this could be an opportunity to explore aspects of your personality that you have not fully recognized or accepted. This principle also applies to our desires and dreams. If you dream of success but internally believe it is unattainable, your external world is likely to reflect these doubts, manifesting as obstacles or failures. By aligning your internal beliefs with your goals, you create an environment conducive to success. This doesn't mean that positive thinking alone will achieve your dreams, but it does lay the foundation for seeing and seizing opportunities. The mirror principle encourages us to take responsibility for our inner world, understanding that by doing so, we have the power to change our external reality. It serves as a reminder that by cultivating positivity, kindness, and openness within ourselves, we can create a more fulfilling and joyful life experience. Buddha Siddhartha Gautama said, "All things in the world are mere manifestations. If the mind does not move, everything remains unmoved. If the mind does not change, everything remains unchanged." If you love this video, don't forget to like, share, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest content. Thanks for watching.